Hi coders, welcome back to 30 Days of Python series. I am Suresh Kumar Tulasiram. I am taking you to the let us move on to D18 loop challenges, patterns, prime numbers, sums in Python. So far we learned first program in Python, variable data types, variable naming rules, operators in Python, bitwise operators, bitwise shifting, complements, strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets in Python, if, elif and else in Python, loops we explained in Python, functions in Python, loop control statements. Now we will see today's topic, challenge 1, challenge 2, challenge 3. There's 3 challenges I'm going to take up today. Now we will move on to day 18 loop challenges, in which we are going to see sums, patterns, prime numbers. How to find the sums, how to get the patterns, and how to know the prime numbers using the loop concepts. Okay, let us go one by one. Now we will see now the summing machine. Total sum equal to 0 and loop from 1 to 100. Remember, this range stops one shot. That is 1 to 101, print up to 1 to 100. Okay. Now, total sum equal to total sum plus number. It means whatever output comes, it will be cumulatively added. That comes to 5050. This is the answer. Now, we'll see the pattern maker. Pattern maker, right angle triangle asterisk we have to form. That is right angle triangle. See here in row, I in range, I rows plus 1, and for j in range, row num, and print asterisk end. This will exactly print this right angle triangle. Please try it in your notebook. Right. This is the prime number deductive problem. So, right, how to find the prime number using this code? Okay, for I in range 2, num to check. If num to check modulus I equal to 0, we found a divisor. It is not prime. So, it continues further break and it gives the exact answer. Now, we will see the summary of comparison. You successfully used the accumulator, the nested loops to create 2D structure like patterns, and boolean flags is underscore prime to track state through a loop. The break statement to make your code more efficient by stopping early. Hi coders, welcome to day 18 demonstration for Python pattern printing examples. We will see example number 1. For I in range, the same example will take, very easy. Print, I put asterisk, if you want to give comma I, if you give, it will print along with the number 1 to 5, right? You can see 1 to 5 along with asterisk. I want only the asterisk should come. You have to say only print asterisk. I will say print asterisk, it will print up to 6. See, and 6 asterisk has been printed. Now this is one pattern. We will see one more pattern, for which I will go on to example number 2. Okay, I will declare the variable rows equal to 5. For I in range 1 to rows plus 5. It will give rows plus 5. That is 1 to, now it becomes 6 na. 1 to rows plus 5, no, row plus 1 will give. Rows plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6, like that. Okay. Then that will be incremental. That is 1 to 5 it will print. Okay. 1 to 5 will be printed in reverse order. Let us see. Then I say print, I put asterisk into, that is asterisk I. What will you do? You will simply multiply with the ashes. So whatever thing number will be printed 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then the number will be multiplied by ashes. So that much ashes should print. Let us see. See here, first row is equal to 5 na. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 means 1 to 6 it has to be generated. 1 to 6, that is 1 to 5. 1 to 5. So I will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I 1 into ashes is 1 ashes. 2 into ashes, 2 ashes. 3 into ashes, 3 ashes. Simple. Print 1 ashes, what will it print? 1 ashes. Print 5 into ashes. It will print 5 ashes, simply like that. Okay. Now you see, this is right triangle triangle. This is right angle triangle. So some interview they will ask like this: I want to print ashes with the right angle triangle shape. Okay, so you have to code like that. One variable called rows equal to 5. Then for I in range 1 comma rows plus 1, rows plus 1, then print, you have to give space now, 1 space I give, 1 space into, that is into rows minus I. If it is 1, then 1 space, then another space, 2 spaces we have already given. Okay, minus I plus, you have to give one more asterisk, then only asterisk should be printed, right? Then it should be multiplied with 2I minus 1, that is 2 into I times minus 1. Let us see how it prints, and then we will see. Okay, I have to complete this. See, it is clearly printed the pyramid format. If you go through this asterisk will be multiplied by 2I minus 1. So when 1 comes, if it is 1, first rows plus 1. Suppose rows equal to 6, na? Then if it is 1, if the rows is 1, print space and if rows equal to 1, rows equal to 5 plus 1, na? 5 plus 1 means 6. Okay, so let us see 6. 6 minus 1, okay, plus ashes into 2 into 1. I am substituting I for 1 in this formula, okay, 2I minus 1. You see, it is printing 1. If I give 2, my God, 2, okay, 2 into 2 minus 1, it will print 2 ashes. I mean, 3 ashes, exactly. 2 is actually skipped. Third one with 3 ashes will be. Similarly, if applied for 3, apply for 3, this will print 5. Okay, like that the pyramid will be printed by applying this formula. So you have to remember this. How to apply? Rows minus I plus ashes into 2i minus 1. See, first thing you should remember, you should leave space here, then should print 1. Okay, how much space? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 space you have to give. That's 1, 2, 3, fourth one you have to give as is. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 space you have to give. Here 2, 1, 2. Here 1 space. So it is keep on reducing. For that we are applying this formula. Go through this and let us see. Now we will see reverse pyramid. We will see. Okay, reverse pyramid. How to print it? First we will see coding, then how the coding is written based on the pattern. Okay. Now we will see the coding part. Rows equal to 5. Then for I in range rows, comma 0, comma 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay. Okay. This is actually no. Rows will be 5. 5 start from 0. Okay, first question. Then it should reduce the number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that. It should be reducing 1 by this number. Okay, start from 0. That is, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll see print space as is like previous problem. Same thing, little differently. Rows minus I. This will actually print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then with asterisk it will print with along with the space. This will print along with space. The asterisk will be printed in reverse order. Now I will quickly close another bracket. It will print reverse. See. Now this is the reverse pyramid. How it prints? I am checking why it is printing like this. It should be print like this, right? Let us see. 2i minus 1. That is correct. Right. Everything is perfect. For I in range rows equal to I. Print. Okay. No. See, the thing is here. This is the difference. This is actually right angle triangle in reverse order. Okay. Now instead of 1, if I put I, what will happen? I. Because I know you have to give space. Now it will give you exactly right what happened multiple statement while compiling a single statement. My God, this is actually rows equal to 5. Okay, no problem. In this ideally, no, it will take one variable only at a time. So I am giving a different variable, don't worry. It's a problem occurs sometimes in ideally, no problem. See, it is exactly printed like this. Here you see the space difference. Here no space. If 5 no space, 4 2 space, and 5 4 3 2 1. Okay. It is actually 5 4 3 2 1. In 1 it has 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 space. 1 is 4 space. Okay. Now how it prints? You know, this ROWSS is equal to 5. You know, this sets the number of rows. Number of rows is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This sets the number of rows. That's why I given one variable. For I in range rows, comma 0, comma minus 1. It means it will give you 5, then become 4. Minus 1 is reducing. No? Every time, every iteration, it is reducing one number. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It won't beyond that because 0 already printed. The previous one is 1. So up to 1 it will be printed. 5, 4, 3, 2. This will give you result 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, this one will give you, we will see, we'll break it into two parts. We will see first this part, then this part. Okay. I will give you print. Only this part I am going to print it. If I equal to 1. Here, if I equal to 1, then we'll see. It will be 1. Okay. Then if I equal to 2, it will give you result 3. Okay. Then we will see 3. Now, if I give you 3, it will produce 5. So, you see here reverse order 1, 3, 5 like that. So, this portion, second portion will print this in reverse order. Okay. And this will produce space. This will produce space. And this will produce ashes. First part produce ashes. This will produce spaces. Number of spaces. Okay. Now you see 1, 1 should be space. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 space should be given. So this will give you 4. Well, let us see. Rows, 4 spaces it will should give. Rows equal to 5. Initial rows equal to 5, right? See, it is giving space. 2 asterisk. How many asterisks will you see? See, 4 asterisks. If you give space, 4 space will be given. So this result will give you space, and this result will give you the asterisk. When there is 1, there is a 4 space. Then 4 space after asterisk will be printed. These and these combined together will produce this asterisk. Let us see. Print this one. Plus this one. See, 4 space and asterisk is given. This 4 space asterisk is given. If I remove this, the space only given. Now you see. I remove and see. Remove and show you. Now asterisk is printing after 4th space. So these two combined with and producing this pyramid. Clear?